What's up, everyone? We're back for another one on the Benumb Media channel. Got my side skirts right here. You'll see in the video, I already started on them. They were fully primed before, so I smoothed them down. Trying to get all the primer off because it's pretty much flaking off. There's nothing I can really do about that other than get it off, get them primed ready. But yeah, I guess we'll get into it, and I'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Maybe a cut halfway through, we'll see, who knows. Well, let's roll into it. Those are pretty much ready. There's a little bit of hand sanding left to do, and then I'll adhesion promote them and seal those. And then I got my finished panel over here. I just had to fill a little spot where there was a crack, and I sanded the whole thing down with 400 grit, so that's looking really good. I just gotta get that crack filled, and then I'll resand that, and that'll be ready. Wawa, you know what I mean? I'm really adamant about getting DoorDash because the amount of time you save not going out and getting something, you can spend working on other stuff, like literally at work. Like, I'll do that, and the cost is worth it for me to save that time having to go out and get it, to where I can work and make money, or I can work and get this done while I'm waiting for the food to get here. So at the end of the day, yeah, some people say it's gonna cost you more, but for me, it just works out. I don't recommend anybody to do this unless you're financially at a point to where it makes sense, you know? So there's that. Car's pretty much done. There's a few spots, like I gotta do the doors. I gotta reprime the bare metal spots on this and the hood. I gotta hand sand this. This is pretty much done. Hood's pretty much done. It just needs like a 400 grit. And I'm gonna go over the whole car before we paint it. I'll film the whole painting process, but yeah, I got the ported and polished intake manifold on. I'll throw in a picture or a few clips here of what that looked like and what the process was of that. I had some injector O-rings leaking, so I replaced those too. So car's pretty much dialed. Response is great. Yeah, I mean, there's not much left to do before paint. Headlights are pretty much done. They need a final 400 grit, but 400 to 600, I don't know how high I want to go before I do sealer, but doors are pretty much done. It's just mostly the rocker panels, then the A-pillar bar, but a lot of it is pretty straight. So I mean, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's not many dings or dents, so the paint should turn out pretty good. Not going for perfect. It's a drift car. It's my daily. It's gonna get beaten up. People are gonna door ding it. It's just gonna happen. Gotta accept it. So we'll see how good it comes out. I'm gonna try my best. Doesn't come out the best, it is what it is, you know what I mean? We're just gonna rock with it. It'll be one color, it'll be glossy, it'll be metallic-y. So that's all you need to know. You'll see later in this series, but for now, I'm gonna smack down on some Wawa, sit here and enjoy the sunset, and yeah, we'll get back to it eventually. But for right now, we'll see you later.